Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to move selection. For example, I will insert image, you can use plus embed and I will use this image. Click OK to apply. Now if you want to select this image, we can use these tools, marquee tools. I will use rectangular marquee tools and then I will select like at this point. Now, if you want to move this selection, you can click, hold, and then you can move another area. You also can transform the selection by right click and then go to transform selection. You can press shift buttons, like I will move from this point into here. We'll press again shift button, hold, and then move to the bottom. To move, you can click and then you can place at this point. If you're done, you can click OK. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to move selection. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.